Hello Germany, it's me and Jesse Einstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange inside Verstov. Giddy up there. July 19th, middle of the month. Dow Jones Industrial Average down 54 points, down 169 at its bottom. What took place today that caused that to happen? Goldman Sachs earnings were super weak, 40% down in revenues due to their bond trading revenues. That's significant. We've seen between you and me over the last couple of years that when Goldman Sachs engages this market, or when the market engages Goldman, it can take this market up and down. And in sympathy, other banks will follow suit. Also the fact that when Mr. Trump's agenda is put in question, as is happening today with the healthcare thing, that we're going to see some weakness in the market. S&P, though, with all that being said, closed at an all-time high. We saw a rally off the 169 down today, closed down 50 points. Overall, net at the end of the day, European markets were down. Okay, we had oil up to small flat, Russell down, spiders up. Kind of a mixed market that way. Huge recovery from this low point of the day with a question on the agenda, with Goldman Sachs earnings, financials in a weak way, consumer staples and whatnot. So net, what it really feels like is, once again, no follow-through on the downside, that there are people sitting around with shopping lists trying to get some discounts. There is money to be put back in this market. Sell your outperformers, buy your underperformers. Look for stocks at a discount and get engaged. There are people in the wings with money because this market will not go down. Dow Jones Industrial Average, 21,600. S&P closing at a record high. In a net negative posture day with Goldman and healthcare and the agenda of Trump, that's a win-win in my opinion. So I believe you should stick with the market. Overall, we've got earnings coming up. IBM beat, though it's feeling under pressure. It's rare that it beats. CSX, railroads, actually beat also. Earnings season, they're going to come shuffling in. The problem with that is expectations can override the actual reality of the results and the guidance. So net, it could be positive. Net, could be buy the rumor, sell the news. You never know what's going on. So I think we stick with the market. I think we keep an eye on the dailies. Market's not engaging headlines, but it does engage questionability of the agenda of the administration here. That's what engaged the market today. This market is still on fire. Negative days are not following through. Oil holding steady. Stick with NYSE Einstein. I love you all later.